Oh, my bad. I didn't mean to have the AirPods on, y'all. Okay, so in today's video, I got a challenge for you guys, okay? I challenge you to go and do what I'm about to show you. I challenge you to see how much money you can make from it. I challenge you to see how much clothes you can donate from it. And I challenge you to see how much space you can go ahead and clear up for yourself. So let's get this rolling.
She got a lot on my mind. She got a lot on my mind. I got a lot on my mind. I got a lot on my mind.
Hey man, it's your boy Chris Aaliyah, aka CEasy, and welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the lifestyle, and welcome back to another video, okay? So today's video, I got something special. As you can see behind me, I have a pile of clothes. And I know that each and every one of y'all have piles of clothes in your house that you haven't worn or is not your style anymore, and it's just sitting there and it has no use, okay? In today's video, I'm basically gonna be telling you and showing you how you could profit off of this, and or how you could basically give it to people who will basically benefit off of it, okay? So before we even get into this video, I'm gonna need y'all to go ahead and smash that like button, okay? Make sure that y'all hit the subscribe button. We are so close to 100 subs, so make sure you go and subscribe. Make sure you leave a comment, okay? But anyways, let's get this video rolling. Alright, so we in Plato's with it right now. Plato's is a buying and selling store. I went ahead and gave them all my clothes, and right now we're waiting to see how much they've taken, how much money I'm going to be making off of the items, okay? The next thing y'all going to see is basically how much money I made off those items, and then after this, we're going to go to one more store, see how much they take, and all of the clothes that they have not taken, basically going to go ahead and we're going to donate them to like Goodwill or something like that, okay? So let's move on to the next clip. Okay, so as y'all can see on the screen right now, the total is $18.57, and that is off of 6 items, okay? But you also have to take note that not all of the items that I brought in were in season. I brought a lot of long sleeves, I brought a lot of jackets, and because of that, they weren't able to take those items. So 6 of the items I brought, for them to take that for that amount, is not too bad. It's items I do not wear. But just be noted that this challenge will work best if you bring in items that are in season. For my winter items, I'm gonna have to bring that in on a later time, but just keep that noted. So we're at the second store. I already went ahead and turned in my clothes. This time we got about a 2-hour wait, so it's gonna be a minute before we see how much money we got, and hopefully they take more clothes than the first one, and hopefully we get some more money before we have to go ahead and donate the rest. Next thing y'all gonna see is whenever I have the receipt and how much money. Alright guys, so unfortunately at the second Plato's they did not give me a receipt, so I can go and show y'all how much I made, but I will tell y'all I made $7.50 off of 3 items. And that's not too great, but at the same time it's not too bad. But again, like I said, I brought in a lot of winter clothes, and they're not gonna take that in this season. So just be mindful that if you're gonna go ahead and try this, make sure that you bring in a lot of summer clothes. As you can see, like something like this, short sleeve, maybe some shorts, and stuff around that manner. Alright y'all, so right now we're on the final step of the challenge, and my personal favorite, and that is the donating phase. Okay, so I went ahead, I selected a few items. It's about 5 or 6 items, and for these items, I do feel that people will be able to use them, and I feel like they could use it to up their fashion because it served me well, and I know it could serve someone else well, as well. So as of right now, y'all can go ahead, and these are the pieces that I went ahead and selected. These are the pieces that I'm going to go ahead and donate to people. Then the next thing y'all gonna see, I'm gonna go ahead and take these pieces to Goodwill, and after that, I'm just gonna do a little recap over the whole challenge. Alright, so here we are. As y'all can see, it's a donating center. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna donate our clothes. We're gonna just go ahead and help people. I just donated some clothes, and the challenge is basically over. Alright, you guys, so now it's time for a recap, okay? So I basically went to 2 different stores, 2 different Plato's, and I made around $25 off of about 9 items. And I was able to donate some clothes, okay? So, again, I'm going to reiterate this. I want you guys to go ahead and try out this challenge because it brings nothing but positivity. You go ahead, you clear up some space from old clothes, making room for some new clothes. You can make some money off of the clothes that you no longer wear, and you could go ahead and donate the clothes to people who could benefit off of it. So all around just good positivity. So you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know in the comment box below. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure you go ahead and leave a thumbs up and make sure you go ahead and subscribe. But anyways, it's your boy Chris Lee, aka CEasy, and I'm out.
I got a lot on my mind. 16 and O and that 29. 9. I got AK with the scores and 9.